create and decorate. Diwali is round the corner and I hope you all have started decorating your houses. Corners are the spaces in our house which get unnoticed every time. So today I shall be sharing with you few corner decorating ideas which will help you to enhance the beauty of your corners. After decorating these corners, not only the beauty of corner will be enhanced, but it will also pop up the beauty of your full house. So let's get started. This is the existing setup on my shoe cabinet. I have placed the shoe cabinet at a corner. We should always opt for multifunctional furniture like the shoe cabinet, which can be used for decorating purpose. Firstly, we will empty and clean the surface. Then we will create a layering. Here I am placing a textured cloth. I have placed Lord Durga's painting, which is painted by my daughter. I have placed a Buddha figurine in a brass bowl with some battery operated lights in it. Followed by a set of 2 red Moroccan lanterns from Home Center. Lastly, a metallic agarbatti holder I have added some fresh flowers to enhance the look. This is how it looks finally. Doesn't it look amazing? I have placed a velvet on that. I have placed a brass urli. I am adding some fresh flowers to the urli. And this is how beautiful it looks when decorated with colorful flowers. I will also add some tea light candles. And this is how beautiful this urli looks with colorful flowers and tea light candles. I have placed a vase with artificial plants, flowers on the left and a brass diya on the right side of the urli. During Diwali, you can flaunt your brass collections. And this is how it looks finally. In my third idea, firstly I have placed a runner followed by hanging flowers in a vase and a Buddha figurine in front of the vase. Then a pair of brass diyas, an oil diffuser on the left, lotus shaped candle holder in front of the Buddha figurine, and a pair of elephant figurines. So this is the final look. This is how my corner looked earlier. Now I am giving it a makeover. I am using a shelf in which I have put fairy lights behind it using clear tape. This is how it looks once lights are switched on. I have placed a shelf, a table with a plant besides it, and finally a rug under it. I have placed a few colorful cushions on the rug for seating. On the shelf, at the bottom, I have put this beautiful udli holder, lantern, an artificial plant, a Buddha figurine, and hanging artificial plants and an aromatic candle. On the wall, I have put this Buddha painting and a pair of DIY candle holders. Detailed tutorials of this DIY candle holders are given in the description box. I strongly suggest not to use candles. Instead, you can use battery operated tea light candles in this DIY candle holder. On the plant, I have added fairy lights. As Diwali is the festival of lights, we must use lights and candles as much as possible. And this is how my corner looks. This is how my corner looks once the light is switched off. This is the corner bookshelf, which can be used as a corner decorating furniture. Firstly, we will empty all the content and then start decorating it. I have placed a Kathakali mask and an African doll beside it, and also an artificial plant, followed by a glass bottle with lights and potpourri and a pair of lanterns. And finally a stone carved Ganesh idol and a pair of lanterns. I added a few flowers to enhance the look further. Below it, I have placed a Lord Ganesha fountain and an aroma oil diffuser. This is how it looks finally. I hope you found this video informative. If you like the video, then do press the like button and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification about my upcoming videos. Till then, keep decorating. Take care. Bye.